Welcome to my channel. How to update SETEK Extender firmware safely. 1. Connect your extender to power. Plug in the SETEK extender and ensure the LED lights are stable, not blinking. 2. Connect your device to the extender Wi-Fi. Use your phone or laptop and connect to the extender network, e.g., SETEK_Ext. 3. Open a browser. Go to http://192.168.10.1 or http://myrepeater.net, depends on model. 4. Log in to the admin panel. Enter your extender username and password. Default is usually admin unless change. 5. Go to the firmware update section. Check under System, Maintenance, or Advanced Settings. 6. Download the latest firmware. If available, you'll see a Download Firmware or Check Update option. Follow the link to get the latest file from the SETEK support website. 7. Upload the firmware file. Click Choose File, Browse, select the downloaded firmware file, and then click Upload or Update. 8. Wait for the update to finish. Do not turn off the extender during the update. It usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. 9. Extender will auto-restart. LED lights will blink and stabilize once the new firmware is installed. 10. Reconnect and verify. Connect again to your extender Wi-Fi and log in to confirm the firmware version is updated successfully. Thanks for watching.